Hi, I am here at Cosmetic Laser Dermatology and I'm very excited to have a laser treatment with Dr. Wu. So just trying to get checked in here and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Update, I just numbed for about an hour. So they put some numbing cream on my face and I sat in this little nice relaxation room that they had. It feels so weird. I am so numb right now. It even feels weird to talk. But hopefully it will allow this procedure to have no pain at all. So I'm just waiting for Dr. Wu.
Hey guys, this is Dr. Wu at Cosmetic Laser Dermatology, and I'm with my good friend Risa, who you may have already seen already. But yeah, so we're going to do some laser treatment for Risa today. And Risa's not a new patient to our practice. She's had a variety of different laser treatments in the past, mostly gentle lasers like IPL, clear and brilliant, stuff like that. And we're looking now for something that maybe is one step up from that, give a little bit more results than those gentle lasers, but also might result in a little bit more downtime. And so one step up from those lasers is something called Fraxel Dual. And this is a really great treatment for improving skin quality, texture, skin tone, stuff like that, and will deliver actually much better result than, say, just a simple IPL. However, after this kind of treatment, you can expect to look a little bit sunburned, some peeling and some crusting and stuff, probably for a few days, maybe up to a week. But after that, the skin looks great. The skin texture, the skin tone, all looks much improved. So it's really quite worth it for those people who are looking for that kind of result. Yeah, so ready to go?
I'm excited. Let's do it.
All right, perfect.
Finished the treatment. The whole thing took 8 minutes. I will say at first it didn't hurt at all. By the last pass it was a little spicy, but for only 8 minutes I can handle it. This contraption, which we call the Zimmer cooler, is my best friend. I'm going to sit here for a while. It's blowing out really cold air, and with this I now feel no pain. Excited to see the results. Hi, so it has been a few hours since I got the Fraxel Dual done. This is night 1. I just washed my face and I put on some of the calcium serum and some of the Neocutis ointment on top. It doesn't hurt at all. I think when I was washing my face, it felt a little warm, and you can just kind of see almost some of the Fraxel laser dots on my cheeks. So we'll see what it looks like in the morning, and I will keep checking in. So I had my Fraxel Dual yesterday afternoon, and this is the following morning. So I wanted to show you guys what I look like. I washed my face. I'm still using that calcium serum. It's like this little pink serum, and a moisturizer on top. And it feels a little tight, a little tingly. And I guess since I just put on the serum, a little extra tingly. On my Zoom calls, I don't even think anyone's noticed it today at work, so I would say not too bad of too much downtime. Anyways, I will keep you all updated. So this is day 2. I am now about 36 hours out from the Fraxel Dual. And if you look up close, there's definitely a lot of brown spots around. It kind of looks like I got a really bad sunburn. Anyways, that's the current update. Today, I feel like maybe this is going to be the worst day for how it looks. I feel like in the video, it doesn't look as bad as I feel like it does. But basically, it looks like I just really burned my face and I'm a little swollen. And so this morning, I thought I'd show you all how I'm going to do my morning routine to wash my face and put on some of the post-procedure skincare products that CL Derm provided for me. First of all, I'm going to use a really gentle cleanser. My favorite one is the Skinmedica. I think it's just called their facial cleanser. It's really mild. It smells good. It's been my favorite. I've actually been using it for about 10 years now. So my skin still feels kind of like sandpaper. I wish I could explain that better, but it's rough. It feels rough. And I did see a teeny bit of peeling starting, so I have a feeling that's coming soon. I'm putting my water a little bit cooler than I normally do, just because my face is a little hot. I'm also not using any of my, Clarisonics or brushes here. And lightly pat dry. This is the Calcium serum. Comes in this cute little bottle. This is a growth factor serum, and it's supposed to help speed up healing. So doesn't sting or anything, doesn't really feel like anything. Since I am always really dry, I'm also going to use some SkinCeuticals triple lipid cream, especially around my eye area. I did notice that it almost looks like I have a few whiteheads, maybe some things under the surface coming out. Now I'm gonna try and do my hair and go hop on some Zoom calls, but I don't really think anyone's even gonna notice except for me. So here I am, night 3, and I don't know if this is doing it justice, but I feel like my face was pretty red today. It was tight. One time in the middle of the day, I wanted to kind of put on some more moisturizing lotion. And on Zoom, people a little bit, thought I looked a little sunburned. Anyhow, just the day 3 update. Hello, night 4 update here. So today I went out and I feel like it almost looks like I've been in the sun and been a surfer for the last 2 decades or something. Like it's just like leathery almost. But I'm excited because I can see underneath in some areas where it's starting to shed, and it looks gorgeous underneath. So I'm really excited. But when I was out today, I wore a mask and I wore a hat and my sunglasses. So it kind of didn't disrupt my schedule at all because those are all normal things that many other people were wearing anyhow. This is night 4. Fraxel Dual. Hi, day 5 update here. This is the morning before I've washed my face because I realize I've been only showing you guys after I wash my face, and I feel like sometimes it might look a little better then. Yeah, I'm definitely peeling. This area seems like I've already peeled. The skin looks beautiful. It's a little itchy. I kind of want to itch. I'm trying not to. Dr. Wu definitely said don't pick. Like I mentioned before, it's pretty easy just wearing a mask outside and, a hat, and everyone just thinks it's a COVID thing, and I'm totally covering my face, and no one can even tell I had anything done.
Hey, Lisa.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
All right, so we did a little bit of laser and a Fraxel treatment. How did that go for you?
It went well. At first my skin was hot. I sat and used the Zimmer cooler and the ice packs for a while, but after about an hour it died down. I actually took videos to kind of document each day, and at first all my freckles kind of came out, and then it peeled away, and underneath it looks really good.
Yeah, your skin looks great actually. Yeah. So that initial sort of healing period, how long kind of did that take for you?
I think maybe 6-7 days top, but I think even earlier than that, if I had wanted to, I could have put makeup on and tried to cover it.
All right.
I work from home, and so I'm on Zoom video calls every day, and I don't think anyone even noticed at all. I didn't stop.
Okay, so it wasn't too onerous. That was fine.
No, maybe it just looked like I had a little sunburn.
Great. Okay. Well, it looks like your skin's doing really well. Actually, let's take a closer look here. It looks very smooth. Yeah, kind of a little bit of a glow to your skin down.
Yeah, I actually didn't know that the pore size was going to change so much, but that's every time I'm seeing one of my friends, that's what they keep saying.
Yeah.
That the pore size looks so.
Yeah, that's one of the major benefits of this treatment. So very happy to see that.
Yeah.
With this type of treatment, sometimes we do a series and to even get better results, but usually between 1 to 3 treatments, spaced 1 month apart, something like that. And that's kind of a personal choice depending on how much improvement and how satisfied you are. After that, I usually use this laser maybe once or twice a year just for kind of maintenance, and it tends to work out very, very well. But But yeah,
Okay.
everything is great.
Well, I think I mean, I'm really happy with the results right now, so maybe I'll think about next year, same time.
Sounds great.
Okay,
All
thank you so
Risa,
much,
it's good to
Dr.
see you.
Wu.
You're welcome. Okay.
So I am now a month out from my Fraxel Dual, and I'm so happy with how my skin looks. I get compliments all the time. I definitely want to do this again next year. And just want to say a big thank you to Dr. Wu and everyone at Cosmetic Laser Dermatology.